Okay, should we begin, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So now put the date, page number 35, and the last second para, he turned as swiftly as though he had never paused, and from his medicines, this one. Date written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now he just instructs Hannah not to give any more anesthetic. Okay. And then he turns as swiftly. Swiftly means as fastly as though he had never paused. And from his medicines, he chose a small vial and from it filled a hypodermic and thrust it into the patient's left arm. उसने क्या करा medicines में से एक vial एक छोटी सी bottle उठाई उससे अपनी hypodermic needle जो थी okay उसको fill करा okay and then उस patient को inject कर दिया. Then putting down the needle, he took the man's wrist again. Okay, now he injected that patient, that prisoner, and after putting down the needle, he just checks his pulse. The pulse under his fingers fluttered once or twice and then grew stronger. Okay, and he feels कि वो एक दो बार तो थोड़ी सी weak flutter करा and then the pulse it became stronger. This man will live in spite of all, he said to Hannah and sighed. Okay, and sighed means he took a long breath और Hannah को कहता कुछ भी हो जाए this man you know he is not going to die. He has got so much of strength and courage, you know, vitality that कुछ भी हो he will live. Now the young man woke so weak, his blue eyes so terrified when he perceived that where he was that Hannah felt compelled to apologize. Okay. Now when he was being operated, he was unconscious. Okay. When he came to his consciousness, जब वो होश में आया and when he came to know that where he had been captive, okay, he was in a Japanese house. तो वो जो था वो काफी टेरिफाइड हो गया उसकी आंखों में डर दिखने लगा और इतना ज्यादा ही वॉज टेरिफाइड कि हना को उल्टा अपोलोजाइज करना पड़ा. She herself served him food for none of the servants would enter the room. Of food वगैरह Hannah served him because all the servants they refused to enter the prisoner's room. When she came in the first time, she saw him summon his small strength to be prepared for some fearful thing. When Hannah, okay, after that man, you know, he regained consciousness, जब उसको होश आया तो वो उसके रूम में आती है तो देखती है कि he was just collecting his strength as if he was ready to face something dangerous, something fearful. Don't be afraid. अब Hannah उसको देख के apologetic हो जाती है, उसको कहती come on, don't be afraid. When she speaks, prisoner, you know, he was somewhat shocked and he says, how come you speak English? Hannah, she clarifies that I had been there in America for a long time. She saw that he wanted to reply to that, but he could not, and so she knelt and fed him gently from the plain spoon. He ate unwillingly, but still he ate. Okay. And then when Hannah saw that the man he wanted to reply, but he failed to reply. Why? Because maybe he was weak, but Hannah he knelt down, okay, and he started feeding the man. He started giving him. Sorry, I'm sorry. She started giving him food. Now you will be soon strong, she said, not liking him and yet moved to comfort him. Now Hannah, she was feeding that prisoner of war and जैसे बच्चों को कंफर्ट करा जाता है असॉच करा जाता है ना उसी तरह उसको भी असॉच करती उसको कंफर्ट करती कन्विंस करती कि कम ऑन हैव फूड नाउ यू विल बी फाइन यू विल गेन स्ट्रेंथ यू विल बी strong enough. But he did not answer. No answer came from that man. When Sadao came in the third day after the operation, he found the young man sitting up, his face bloodless with that. After Sadao, when he came on the very third day, you know, to examine the wound, to examine the operation and all, तो देखते हैं कि young man he was sitting, okay, he was not lying, और जो face था बिल्कुल bloodless था. Why? Because lot of blood it had gone out of his body, it had flown out of his body. Lie down, Sadao cried, do you want to die? Ab Sadao dekhta, he was sitting up in his bed, to जोर से चीखता, come on, lie down. Why? Because that was only the third day of the operation and the man was too weak. He forced the man down gently and strongly and examined the wound. जबरदस्ती उसको फोर्स करके उसको जबरदस्ती लिटाता है, lie down करवाता है, and he examines the wound. You may kill yourself if you do this sort of thing. He scolded. Scold करता है कि if you are going to do this thing, means instead of lying, if you are going to get up and sit, then you are going to kill yourself. You will not be cured. What are you going to do with me? The boy muttered. Now see, this boy, he was tensed. And he says, now what are you going to do with me? He looked just now barely 17, hardly 17 years old he was looking. Are you going to hand me over? He wanted to get it confirmed. What is the Japanese doctor going to do with him? Is he going to hand him over? For a moment, Sadao did not answer. Okay, कुछ पल के लिए तो सदाव जवाब ही नहीं देता है. He finished his examination and then pulled the silk quilt over the man. Okay, he finished. He just saw him finish his examination and then he just covered him with the silk quilt. I do not know myself what I shall do with you, he said. I ought, of course, to give you to the police. You are a prisoner of war. No, do not tell me anything. Now Sadao says कि even I myself do not know what am I going to do. वैसे तो I should give you to the police. Why? Because you're a prisoner of war. And वो देखता है कि he wants to say something तो उसको रोक देता. No, you don't need to speak anything. And he put his hand as he saw the young man was about to speak. और उसको आगे कहता है, do not even tell me your name unless I ask you. Unless I ask your name, don't tell me. They looked at each other for a moment and then the young man closed his eyes and turned his face to the wall. अब उन्होंने एक दूसरे को देखा. The young man, he did not speak and he turns his face towards the wall. Okay, he whispered in a very soft voice. He said, okay, but a bitterness was there on his lips. Okay. Outside the door, Hannah was waiting for Sadao. He saw at once that she was in trouble. और बाहर Hannah, she was waiting for Dr. Sadao. और डॉक्टर सदाव ने देख ही लिया कि हाना किसी परेशानी में, she was in some trouble. Sadao Yumi tells me the servants feel they cannot stay if we hide this man here anymore, she said. Okay, and she tells Dr. Sadao that the servants, they will not be staying here, okay, until and unless we do not remove this man from here. If we are going to give shelter to this man, then they will not stay here, they will leave it. She tells me that they are saying that you and I were so long in America that we have forgotten to think of our own country first. They think we like Americans, and then she says that servants, they think that as we had stayed in America for a long time, that is why we have developed a liking for Americans. Okay, and we have forgotten our own country. We did not have so much of liking for our own country as we have for Americans. उनको ये लगता है कि अमेरिकन्स के लिए हमारे अंदर फीलिंग्स ज्यादा है इंस्टेड ऑफ आवर ओन कंट्री. उनको ये लगता है वी लाइक अमेरिका. इट इज नॉट ट्रू. अब जैसे ही सदाओ ये देखता है, सुनता है ना, ही वाज हर्ट. Okay, कहता है no, it's not true. Americans are our enemies, but I have been trained not to let a man die if I can help it. He was right, isn't it? He says Americans are our enemies, but I have been trained not to let a man die. Doctors are trained not to let a single human being die. This is the first duty, okay? To save the human being, irrespective of his country, of his caste, creed, religion, race, color, whatever it is. The servants cannot understand that, she said anxiously. No, he agreed. Okay. Ab Hannah कहती, servants, they do not understand it. Why? Because they are not so educated. Okay. Neither seemed able to say more, and somehow the household dragged on. Okay. Now they did not speak on this topic anymore, and the household work, it was carried on. The servants grew more watchful. Now the servants, they were more watchful. They kept a strict eye on the prisoner, on Dr. Sadao, on Hannah. Their courtesy was as careful as ever, but they did not lose their courtesy, okay? They did not become bad-tempered, ill-mannered. They did not become, okay? They were well-mannered with the masters, okay, with Dr. Sadao and Hannah, but their eyes were cold upon the pair to whom they were hired, Okay, but for whom they had been working for Dr. Sadao and Hannah. So their eyes were very cold, means they did not have very strong liking for them now. Why? Because they had sheltered a prisoner of war. Now, it is clear what a master ought to do, the old gardener said one morning. What I said, old gardener, you know, he was a very old servant, okay? Old gardener was there, cook was there, and they had been serving in that house since Sadao was a small child. सदाव बहुत छोटा था तब से सर्व कर रहे थे बेटा, तो वो एक तरह से फैमिली मेंबर्स की तरह ही हो जाते हैं. एंड जो ओल्ड गार्डनर होता है वो साफ कहता है कि इट इज क्लियर व्हाट अ मास्टर ऑट टू डू. He had worked with flowers all his life and had been a specialist to win moss. Okay. अब पूरे जीवन उसने है ना गार्डनिंग करी है और बहुत स्पेशलिस्ट था इन मेकिंग अ मॉस गार्डन. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल मॉस गार्डन उसने बनाया. For Sadao's father, he had made one of the finest moss gardens in Japan. Sweeping the bright green carpet, moss कैसी होती है, बिल्कुल ग्रीन होती है. ओके, तो उस ग्रीन कारपेट को, कारपेट यू गॉट इट, जब पूरा गार्डन था, इट वाज ऑल कवर्ड विद मॉस, उसको स्वीप करता रहता था, क्लीन करता रहता था कॉन्स्टेंटली, कंटिन्यूसली, सो दैट नॉट इवन अ लीफ और अ पाइन नीडल, ओके, अ वेरी थिन नीडल, अ वेरी थिन twig marred means spoil the velvet of its surface. Okay, it's a beautiful moss garden tha कि he was so careful that not a leaf, not a thin twig, okay, not a pine needle, मतलब बिल्कुल भी पतली से पतली टहनी भी उस मॉस गार्डन को गंदा ना करे. He was so conscious. What he says, my old master's son knows very well what he ought to do, he now said, pinching a bud from a bush as he spoke. The old master, okay, who's old master? Sadao's father. Means Dr. Master's son is who? Dr. Sadao. He knows very well what he should do. And while speaking, he just pinches, he just plucks a bud from a bush as he spoke. When the man was so near death, why did he not let him bleed? Now he says, why did Dr. Sadao save him? When the man was bleeding, he should have left him there only. He should have left him, okay, and shouldn't have brought him inside and shouldn't have cured him or operated him. Why did he not let him bleed? That young master is so proud of his skill to save life that he saves any life, the cook said contemptuously, means very hatefully. Okay, not in a liking manner. Disliking manner में बोलती है कि वो young master, you know, he is so skilled, इतना skilled है that he saves any life without thinking कि the life that he is saving is his enemy or his friend. कुछ नहीं सोचता है, इतना skilled है कि बिना सोचे समझे he saves anybody. She spilled a foul snack skillfully and held the fluttering bird and let its blood flow into the roots of a wisteria vine. Now she split a foul snack, उसने break करा, उसका blood, okay, she made the blood flow into the wisteria vines. Vine समझते हो ना, जो creepers होते हैं, बेल होती है, okay, उसमें उसका blood flow करने दिया. क्यों? Blood is the best of fertilizers and the old gardener would not let her waste a drop of it. और blood क्या है? Old gardener ही मानता था कि it is one of the best fertilizers and he would never allow the cook to waste a single drop of blood when the non-veg it was being cooked. Okay, so the animal that was being killed for cooking the non-veg is blood. It was put into the plants or the vines that acted as the best fertilizer according to the old gardener. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is the children of whom we must think. Yumi said sadly, what will be their fate if the father is condemned as a traitor? Now Yumi कहती है कि हमें तो बच्चों के बारे में सोचना है. Okay, what will happen to those children? Suppose if the father, you know, he is caught, he is arrested as a traitor. Who is a traitor? Who is a traitor?
Ma'am, देशद्रोही.
One who
देशद्रोही.
country, one who betrays his country, है ना, जो देश को धोखा देता है. और One who loves his country is? One who loves his country is?
Ma'am, patriot.
Patriot,
Ma'am,
Anushka. Okay, very good, Anushka. They did not try to hide what they said from the ears of Hannah as she stood arranging the day's flowers in the veranda nearby, and she knew they spoke on purpose that she might hear it. Okay. Now see, all the servants, they were talking outside of the house. Okay. Outside the house means they were not inside the house. Inside in the veranda, Hannah was standing there and she was arranging the flowers. And they saw that Hannah was there, but deliberately on purposely जानबूझ के उन्होंने बोला ये सब, so that Hannah might listen to the talks and she might go and tell Sadao, Dr. Sadao, so that he might remove this prisoner from the house. समझ गए? तो जानबूझ के बोला, हना को सुनाने के लिए बोला. That they were right, she knew too in most of her being. अब हना भी समझ गई कि even the servants, they were very much right. Okay, they were correct. Suppose Dr. Sadao is arrested as a traitor, then what would happen to her? What would happen to the children? Their life would be ruined. उनकी life क्या है, पूरी spoil हो जाएगी. But there was another part of her which she herself could not understand. It was not sentimental liking of the prisoner. Now she understood very well the servants, they were right. Okay, but the second part of the coin was that she did not have any kind, or Dr. Sadao did not have any kind of liking for the prisoner. Okay, they did not have any sort of feelings or sentiments. She had come to think of him as a prisoner. She thought of him as a prisoner, and she had not even liked yesterday when he had said in his impulsive way, anyway, let me tell you that my name is Tom. और उसको नहीं पसंद आया कि yesterday when Hannah went into his room without asking, the man said that my name is Tom. ये उसको अच्छा नहीं लगा कि बिना पूछे he told his name. She had only bowed her little distance bow. She saw hurt in his eyes, but she did not wish to assuage it. Okay, उसने कुछ नहीं बोला, only she bowed low like this and देखा that the man was hurt. You know, there was pain in his eyes. But Hannah did not wish to assuage him, to comfort him. Okay, उसकी इच्छा नहीं हुई कि उसको comfort करे. Indeed, he was a great trouble in this house, and surely that man, you know, he was a big trouble in the house. As for Dr. Sadao, every day he examined the wound carefully. Now, जहाँ तक Dr. Sadao की बात थी, every day he would visit the prisoner and he would examine the condition of the wound. The last stitches had been pulled out this morning, and the young man would be in a fortnight, be nearly as well as ever. Okay, now the last stitches, they were pulled that morning or in a fortnight. Fortnight, how many days? Fortnight, how many days?
15 days. 15 days.
Yes, within 15 days, now he would be okay. Sadao went back to his office and carefully typed a letter to the chief of police reporting the whole matter. Now, Sadao, he decides something. He goes to his office and he starts typing a letter. Okay, and he wanted to report everything. Okay, the whole matter to the chief of police. Means he just wanted to say that a man has been washed on his shore and he's a prisoner of war, and everything he wanted to write so that he might hand him over to the police. On the 21st day of February, underline which day the man, he was thrown by the ocean. He came on the doorstep of Dr. Sadao. On the 21st day of February, an escaped prisoner was washed up on the shore in front of my house. Itna wo type karta hai. So far he typed, and then he opened a secret drawer of the desk and he put the unfinished report into it. Okay, itna wo type karta. After that, he stops typing. He opens a secret drawer and inside it, he just kept the letter. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's time for the next class, beta. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.